What is the value of the expression 6 minus 2 times open parenthesis 6 minus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's break it down step by step together. In the first step, most people subtract 6 minus 2 that I have highlighted in yellow. So it becomes 4 times open parenthesis 6 minus 2 close parenthesis. In the next step, they calculate 6 minus 2 inside the parenthesis, which becomes 4 times 4. And finally, the answer becomes 16. So, they think option B is the correct answer to this question. But it's completely wrong. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. So, according to this rule, we first go to the parenthesis. And this expression becomes 6 minus 2 times 4. In the next step, we go to multiplication because it has a higher priority than subtraction. So instead of this expression, we can write 6 minus 8, which finally gives us the answer -2. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.